Welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. 410 here. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and the support. If you're new, have a look around, like, comment, subscribe, watch some shit. We're all here for good fun. Well, I don't know if you guys get tired of more, the Jeep just sitting, or me talking about it. But today's a big day in getting it on the road and finally out on the trails. Today it is off to the shop to get re-geared. It's going from 355s to 513s. People have told me not to go past 48s, but as you can tell, I got big tires. I have a 4-cylinder. I need all the help I can get. The 513s, the pinion size is the same as a 488s, so there's not really much difference. There's just an additional tooth on the ring gear for the 513s. Done my research. There have been quite a few TJ owners that have done it. Haven't really broken anything. And plus, once again, it's a 4-cylinder, so it needs all the help it could get to move these big tires. So today, prepping it, getting all the stuff out of the bed. And I got some more parts to show you guys that I got. I got a full power steering swap. I got the steering box stiffener. I got the front locker that I'm going to send off with it when it gets re-geared. I got axle seals, got a new battery tray, a new steering wheel, whole bunch of good stuff, and there's still a lot of more good stuff coming. So let's get on with it. I cleaned up the bed of Wendy, got the Comanche all cleaned up. Mainly because I had a whole bunch of stuff in the back. I had some like oil change car ramps, the old NP 242 transfer case, some like 6-ton jack stands, and the spare tires for this thing. And I just loaded it all up because when I'm away at school, this is kind of like my storage unit. I just throw everything there in the back. Cleaned up the inside as well because I kind of usually throw all my tools and stuff here on the inside. And now we go to the fun stuff. I have a new battery tray from Dirtbound Off-Road. So I'm going to pull out this stock one, put the metal one in, throw a battery in it, start it up, check all the fluids, check oil, check radiator. And then we'll load her up and take her to the shop. Stock one out. Here's a stock one that we all know and love to hate, that plastic battery tray. And here, all metal, Dirtbound Off-Road battery tray. I kind of put this on here so you guys get an idea of how this works. So it's just a threaded rod, and then that's their battery hold down bracket. Now I got this one from Amazon, so you can either get it through them. I got it through Amazon because the shipping was kind of guaranteed within like 3 to 5 days. So that's why I went with this, because I needed it before today so I could send it off to the shop with the metal battery tray and a battery in it. I didn't want to put the Group 34 battery in that thing. Didn't want to snap it. So that was the main reason why I got it from Amazon. If not, I would have ordered it from Dirtbound, but the money goes to Dirtbound either way. I just want to thank them for making an awesome product. I got quite a few of their products on my Jeep. Got the battery tray, and I got the steel fender armor from them for the Comanche. And I'm going to be ordering their rock sliders here soon. So good stuff. I'm going to get this in and show you guys what it looks like. So that Dirtbound tray is in. You can put this however you want. You could put this side over here or however it is. And yeah, it's pretty stout. I don't have a temperature sensor thing for the battery because this is 88. Come on, people. So gonna throw the battery in this, hopefully get her started, and then see if she'll fit on the trailer with the big tires. If not, then I gotta swap to the stock tires, get that all done, then load it up on the trailer, then take it to the shop. As an update, the Jeep is here in front of my house, and I ran into some technical difficulties. The car dolly was not wide enough for the Jeep on those wheels and tires, so I had to swap the stocks on it. I tried just to see so I wouldn't have to go through the effort, but I ended up having to work twice as long just to be able to get this together. And now it looks like an off-road dragster. So just got this, gonna finish tightening it up, load it up on the trailer, put some air in the tires, and head out. All loaded up, ready to go. And in here I got all the parts for the Regear. I got my 513s front and rear from Revolution Gear and Axle. I got my new front axle seals. These are those aluminum metal ones. I think it's a 10 axle or teen axle, whatever the company is that makes these. Got those. I got my new Yukon carrier for the front, because when you're going with gears that are, I believe, numerically higher than 373s, you need a new carrier. I got a U-bolt yoke for my Dana 30 up front, and I got a Spartan locker for the Dana 30 up front. That should be everything they need to get this thing done. Let's get the show on the road. There she is in all her glory with her tractor pull setup. But here we are. Jeepers 4x4. If you know, you know. Dropping it off here. Gonna pick it up in a week. And hopefully she'll be ready to go.
1 week later.
So I just got the Jeep back from the shop. As you can hear, it's running. I had to step back because audio quality and things like that, but got it back from the shop. 513 Regear is done. Got the Spartan locker installed in the front, the new pinion yoke, and the new outer axle seals are done, and I got the gears for the back. I'm gonna manually do the U-bolt conversion for the rear axle for the drive shaft, and I'm gonna install the locker myself. But other than that, it's driving fine. Kind of took it around the block. I only have it in 2-wheel drive. I can't really put it in 4 high or 4 low because they're 2 different size tires, but it's not making any weird noises. Everything's good. Everything seems good, feels good. So I have a power steering swap that's gonna happen now. That's gonna be another video, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, it's ready to go. I'm gonna do the power steering swap. I'm gonna put the big tires back on it and then take it for a test drive. I'm gonna review the gears. Hopefully Revolution sees it and I give them some good feedback. I'm gonna give them some feedback over the course of a couple of months and a couple of years as I have these gears, and I be able to give first-hand feedback and knowledge to everyone who wants to put 513s in their Jeep. So that's all for today. As you guys know, like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram page at 410 Motor Club, and you can follow my personal page, which is at swamp_nut. I'll link everything down below, and you get some more content of this beauty. See you guys next time.